Hi, this is Paolo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your app ID and REST API key for OneSignal and how to integrate it to your AEvent account. To start, please log into your OneSignal account. From the main page, click on your site or app under All Apps. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings, then click on Keys and IDs. From here, you'll see your OneSignal app ID and REST API key. Please save them somewhere you can easily access like Notepad. Once you have this information handy, we can now proceed integrating OneSignal to our AEvent account. Let's log into AEvent. Let's go to Integrations. Click on Add Integration. Look for OneSignal by typing it in the search box. From here, you can see the timeline action you can create with this integration. For now, let's click on Add Integration. Type in your preferred name for the integration. Please label it accordingly to easily identify it in case you add additional OneSignal accounts in the future. Here I'm typing OneSignal 1. Click Connect. You will now be prompted for your app ID and REST API key. Once you have this information entered, click Continue. We have successfully added OneSignal to our integrations. Now let's test it. Go back to the integrations page. Look for OneSignal. Now click Test. We have successfully established a connection between OneSignal and AEvent. That would be all for this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out to support. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.